New this morning, for those of you that have to drive through part of Oxford, you may have to make some adjustments on your commute this morning. There is a road closure happening. It will be on South 10th Street, which is between Van Buren and East Jackson. And this is so that city crews can work to repair and hang the lights damaged by a delivery truck 2 weeks ago. The road closure will start at 7 o'clock this morning. It is expected to last until about 11 o'clock this morning. You are asked to use an alternative route when you travel through the area.